Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my May Boxycharm box. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you can choose between a premium box or a base box. The base box, which is what I get each month, is $25 and you get 5 full-size products that are valued at least $175. You do get to choose one of the items as well as shop from a variety of brands like MAC, Smashbox, Milk, Tula, and just a whole bunch more. And you get to enjoy them at a discounted price. Now, if you would like to receive your own Boxycharm box and enjoy all the benefits of being a charmer, you can use my referral link in the description box down below. And by using my referral link by May 31st, you'll receive a $10 credit that you can use towards your pop-up purchase, as well as receive a free gift with your choice of the Eloise Queen palette or the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. I will have everything linked in the description box down below, along with all the qualifying promo codes and information. So what do you say? Let's open this bad boy up. Grab the card. In your box, you'll receive a card that lets you know about that month's theme. And when you flip the card over, you will see a list of all the products that you've received in your box with a description of each of the products as well as the retail value. And then on the bottom right corner, it gives you a code which lets you know what version of box you got. So I'm just going to put my card right here and let's get into the first item, which is KAB Cosmetics. I have their lip oil and their liquid lipstick and liner, and I love them. So I'm really excited to see what this is. So it says KAB Day and Night. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. And it does look very pretty. This palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging, with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime look and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. The retail value of this is $52, and according to this card, it says that it is a new launch. I have to say, this looks like a very pretty palette. I think this would be a great palette for someone who loves neutrals and is looking for a palette that they can use for both day and night. As I said, I have tried 3 of their lip products and I absolutely love them. So I am sure that the quality of this palette is just as good. Next product is... Alright, so it looks like it's from First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. It says that it's safe for sensitive skin. Formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients, this complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone and long-lasting makeup when used as a prep step. So the retail value of this is $30. I don't think I've ever used a First Aid primer. I'm not even sure if I've used any First Aid skincare products either. I'm trying to think. Nope. But I do know that this is a good brand and I have heard good things about this brand. I do have combination skin, and my skin does get sensitive at times, and as I mentioned in all my videos, I have humongous pores, so this will be interesting to try out. Next one is Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist by Dry Bar. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Retail value is $27. I will say I am in love with the packaging. I love pink, and I just love how it fades into pink. Love the packaging. So this is always helpful to have. Next item is the item I believe I chose. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I'm actually was really interested in trying this out. I do like the Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer, and I really love the setting powder, the loose setting powder. My skin just looks amazing with that powder, and it helps lock in my makeup, especially in the summertime. So I figured I would give this a try since this was one of the items that I could choose from. And I got the shade Aglow. I actually went on to Tarte website to see which shade would match, and this seemed like it was going to be the best match. And from what it looks like it's going to be good. An instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within, youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focused finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. Retail value is $27. So it comes with this sponge that you can bring with you. That's cool. I actually like this wand better than the original Shape Tape one. It's flat and it's small, so you can like really get into that inner corner area. Ooh, I'm really interested in trying this out. Ooh, I'm happy I picked this. It kind of, the description of it kind of reminds me of the new e.l.f. Brightening Concealer. It's the one that has like the click. This came out I think a couple months ago, and I love this. Last but not least, it is probably another liner because I always get liners. The Tint Haze Smoky Eye Pencil in Forest. At least it's not black. I always get black eyeliners from Boxycharm. Achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wing. Retail value is $18. From what I am seeing, it does look like it's going to be a pretty green. And I don't think I have a green eyeliner. At least this type of green. I think I have like a neon green, but not this green. And I'm actually have been loving wearing colored eyeliner lately. It's a great way to like add pops of color into your natural day-to-day makeup. So I probably will be keeping this and testing this out. Whoa! That is everything that I got in my May Boxycharm box. And I will have to say overall, it is a pretty good box. It is definitely worth the value. But I'm going to be straight up and honest with you. It has been exactly a year from this month that I joined Boxycharm. And the reason why I decided to get a monthly subscription for Boxycharm was not to do these videos. It was actually for me to be able to try out a variety of different products at a much more affordable price. But since then, I have tried so many more products, and I definitely feel a lot more comfortable and confident in my knowledge of makeup and beauty products. And I will say a big part of that is thanks to Boxycharm. They definitely have brought to my attention some amazing products, both in skincare and makeup. I have even been able to try out products that I would have never been able to afford, and try brands that I've never heard of or may have never even bothered trying, because I mean there's just so many products a girl can try from so many different brands. And a lot of these brands, though they do have name brand, like popular brands in their boxes, they do have a lot more of these small businesses, the indie brands in their boxes. And I actually have some products that are like my go-to ride or dies in my makeup and skincare collection that I have discovered through Boxycharm. For me personally, the last few months I have noticed that I have been giving away most of the products that I am receiving in my Boxycharm box. So this is going to be my last Boxycharm unboxing video. Now I'm not going to sit here and say it's going to be forever. I can't guarantee that, but at least for now, I am finding that it is actually more cost efficient and less waste for me to actually just go out and purchase the products that I want to try. I will say Boxycharm was a great way for me to try out new products and get really comfortable and confident in my knowledge that I do have. I definitely would not be where I am today without the help of Boxycharm subscription. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Well, now it's your turn. What do you think of my box? Did you get a Boxycharm box this month? If so, let us know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. And I would greatly appreciate it if you enjoyed this video by clicking that like button. As always, I do welcome you to join me here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video, including my special video tomorrow. I have a very big surprise. Just a hint, tomorrow is going to be my 1-year anniversary of uploading videos on YouTube. We're going to have some fun tomorrow, okay? So you're not going to want to miss out on tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until tomorrow, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.